Hello everyone, my name is Jaren. I am an industrial engineering student at Bilkent University. Today I will introduce you my Physics 102 project. The objective of my experiment is to measure the power dissipated in a circuit using Kirchhoff's laws and observing the power resistance relation. First, I set up my circuit as it's seen in the figure with 4 resistors using connecting wires. R1 is 100 ohm and R2, R3 and R4 are 150 ohms. Then I turn on my power supply and set up to 20 volts. Later, in order to measure the current, I connected the ammeter in the circuit, but at first I connected them in parallel and therefore I couldn't measure the current. Then I realized my mistake and connected them in series. After that, I measured the current passing through each resistor. After the measurements, I calculated the current and the power using the necessary formulas, and then I calculated the error. After measuring the current, I recorded my data in table 1 accordingly. After recording my data, I changed my resistor 1 with a new resistor and repeat the same steps and fill in my table. At the end of my experiment, I observed that as the resistance increases, the current decreases and also the power decreases, because in the power formula the degree of the current is stronger than the degree of the resistance. I was expecting to observe that the power supplied to a circuit is equal to the power dissipated in the circuit, but my theoretical results and experimental results were not identical. Possible reasons for this error could be my personal errors as connecting the ammeter in the wrong way, and also could be the systematic errors as the laboratory devices were not ideal. Connecting wires has small resistance and my power supply was not stable at 20 volts all the time. And the measurement sensitivity of laboratory devices and the environmental errors as the heat and the stability of the setup could be possible reasons for this error.